Chapter 7. From Farm to Our Plate. Let's know. We all need food for our survival. It gives us energy to do work. But have we ever thought, where does all this food come from? The foods we eat travel a long journey before they reach our plates. They are produced in the farms by the farmers. The farmers at the farms. The mass production of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture or farming. The various steps of farming are: 1. Plowing. Farmers prepare the soil by loosening it through a special process known as plowing. The plows may be attached to the bullock carts or the tractors. 2. Manuring. After plowing, the farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil to provide nutrients to the soil. This increases the productivity of the soil. 3. Leveling. After manuring, the soil is leveled to make the surface even. 4. Sowing seeds. Healthy seeds are sown in the soil after leveling. Seeds can be sown manually or with the help of machines. These seeds grow into saplings after getting right amount of warmth, water, and air. 5. Irrigation. After the seeds are sown, the fields need to be watered regularly. This is called irrigation. The various means of irrigation are wells, tube wells, canals. 6. Spraying pesticides. When the crops grow, farmers spray insecticides and pesticides to protect the crop from insects and pests like rats, termites, etc. Scarecrows are kept in the crop field to scare away birds. 7. Harvesting. When the crops are ripe, they are cut and gathered. This process is called harvesting. Harvesting is done by sickles or machines called harvesters. The farmers then separate the ripened seeds from the plants. This is called threshing. Then they remove the husk from the grains. This is called winnowing. The harvested crops need to be stored properly in granaries to protect them from rodents like rats, squirrels, etc. Vegetables and fruits get spoiled fast, so they have to be sold quickly. From farm to mandi. The packed crops are transported to the wholesale market, commonly called mandi, for selling. Carts, trucks, tractors, etc. are used to transport the food crops to market. Shopkeepers and vendors from towns or cities come to the mandi and buy the products in bulk. They then sell them in their shops at a higher rate to make profit. The small shopkeepers who buy the products from wholesalers for selling in their shops are called retailers or grocers. We, the consumers, buy these products from these retailers. Avoid food wastage. A large number of people work hard in making food available to us. We should be thankful to all of them. We should not waste food. We should always remember that there are many people who do not get enough food to eat. Some ways by which we can prevent the wastage of food are: buy food items in the required quantities only. Avoid unnecessary cooking. Keep the leftover food in the refrigerator. Try to reuse the leftover food by making new recipes. Maintain the correct temperature in refrigerator to keep the food fresh for a longer duration of time. Always take as much food in your plate that you can finish easily. Key terms: agriculture, growing crops on a large scale; plowing, loosening the soil; manuring, adding manures and fertilizers; irrigation, watering the plants; harvesting, process of cutting and collecting. Wrap up key points of the chapter. Food travels a long distance before it reaches us. We get most of our food from plants. Farmers work very hard to grow crops. Steps in farming are manuring, leveling, sowing seeds, irrigation, spraying pesticides and insecticides, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, storage. Journey of food from mandi to our plate. Mandi, wholesalers; retailers, consumers;